Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm going to be doing a 0 to top speed run on my 2020 Boom Vader. I have the aftermarket Mikuni, the fake Mikuni carburetor, air intake, and air filter. And then I have an aftermarket exhaust as well. So I'm going to start this up. We're going to do a 0 to top speed. I don't know how much that's going to play with the top speed, but I haven't changed out my sprocket yet. I'm going to be doing a 17 tooth front sprocket to fix that. So we're going to see what the top speed is right now. Send it. Alright, so that looked like it was about 57. Now this is not actual speed as well. My speedometer is not set up to GPS speed, so it says 57. I don't know what it actually is, and that's just completely pinned at like 8,000 RPMs, which you don't want to be doing anyway. But I mean, right now I'm at about 5,000–6,000, doing about what this thing says is 40. So I could probably do right now, realistically, probably about 45 comfortably, according to this thing, which is probably about 40 miles an hour. So I'm gonna have to switch that out, switch out the front tooth of the sprocket, and then as long as I'm getting, I really don't need to go more than 50 miles an hour. Some of the roads around here are like 45, but anything more than 50 miles an hour, I don't really need to do on this bike. You know, I have other motorcycles that if I want to go that fast, I'll just ride them, you know. But yeah, so that was basically the 0 to top speed run for this bike. If you guys like this video, let me know by hitting the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.